Welcome to this 5-minute guide on changing the read more text in WordPress. In this tutorial, you will be walked through a series of simple steps that empower you to customize your site's navigation and enhance the reader experience. Let us begin by opening your favorite web browser and navigating to the official WordPress website. Once you are on the WordPress homepage, direct your attention to the upper right corner where you will see a login option. Clicking on login initiates the process of accessing your account. WordPress makes signing in straightforward by offering the ability to use your Google credentials. After you click the login option, you will notice a button that allows you to continue with Google. This feature simplifies the process by eliminating the need for a separate username and password, consolidating your sign-in efforts through your existing Google account. After selecting the Continue with Google option, a prompt will appear requesting you to choose the Google account you wish to use. If you have multiple accounts, take a moment to select the one associated with your website so that you ensure a smooth login process. Once you have successfully signed in, you will be taken to your WordPress dashboard. Direct your eyes towards the quick link section where you will find an option labeled Edit Site. Clicking on Edit Site will open up the website customization interface, enabling you to manage and modify your site content. At this stage, you are now in the editing workspace designed to ease the process of making visual and textual changes. Within the site editor, focus on the top left corner of your screen and locate the plus icon. This icon is your gateway to adding new elements to your website. When you click the plus icon, you are introduced to a search function designed to help you find the specific block you want to add. In this instance, type the word paragraph into the search field. The paragraph block is a basic yet powerful tool in WordPress that enables you to input text quickly and efficiently. After you type in paragraph, you will see the paragraph block become available. Click on it to insert the new block into your site layout. With the block in place, type the new read more text that you wish to display. Once your desired text is entered, highlight it so that you can apply further modifications. Highlighting this text is an essential step because it confirms your selection and prepares it for additional actions. Next, look for a link icon that appears near the highlighted text. Clicking this icon allows you to add a hyperlink to your read more text, which can direct your site visitors to the full blog post or additional content. By linking your text, you are providing an intuitive navigation pathway for your readers, ensuring that they can access extended content with ease. Once the link icon is activated, you will be presented with a list of pages or posts. Carefully choose the blog or post that you want the text to link to, ensuring that your visitors are guided to the correct destination. This entire process is designed to be user-friendly and efficient, making it simple for you to keep your WordPress site engaging and accessible. By following these steps and customizing the read more text, you help shape a seamless experience for your audience while allowing your site's personality to shine through. Enjoy updating your website and watching as your changes improve the overall navigation and user experience on your WordPress site.